Complete assessments and activities using assignments. This tutorial shows how to submit and confirm an assignment submission. From assignments, you can preview the assignments you will submit to your course instructor, the score you achieve, the submission you make, the feedback from your instructor, and the due date, which is the submission deadline for an assignment in your course. End dates are attached to assignments. The end date is the final date an assignment is available for you to submit assignments to, regardless of the due date. To begin, from assignments, select the assignment you want to submit your work to. Review the instructions provided by your instructor. Note, your instructor will provide detailed instructions for completing the assignment. Read this carefully before starting your work. Then, in the Submit Assignment section, click Add a File and browse to the file you want to submit. You can attach files from your local computer or storage device, a personal locker, a group locker, or Brightspace ePortfolio. For this example, we will select a file from my computer. Drag and drop a file onto the upload target. When you are ready, click Add. A summary of the file you are uploading appears. Next, enter any comments you want to submit with the file. You may be required to submit an assignment as a text submission. To do this, complete your work in the Rich Text Editor. Some assignments do not require a submission. Your instructor may require you to indicate your assignment has been completed. In this case, you will see Mark as complete. Click it before the assignment due date to indicate you have completed the work. Note, if Mark is complete is not available to you, no additional action is required. When you are ready, click Submit. Review the assignment submission. This may display differently depending on the assignment type. Then, click Done. This returns you to Assignments. Here you can confirm that a submission was made. In the Submissions column, if you see that one or more submissions has been made and you can select it, then the file has been submitted successfully. Click a submission. To view the history, which includes the submitted files and the associated dates, click the drop-down to view other assignment submissions. Click the submitted file and open it to review your submission. Complete assessments and activities using assignments.